Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Manjit Rawat, your online instructor. Guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel, Teach Me Cloud. And today I'm going to describe you about one of important topic related to Microsoft Azure AZ-104 certification. So in this video, I'm planning to describe you about the concept of Azure Front Door, and we'll also try to give you the concept why we need to configure Azure Front Door service over portal. So guys, this particular topic is really important for each and everyone, like who performing the task related to the architect, who performing the task related to the administrator as well. So in very first step, I'm going to describe you about the theoretical part, means why we need to configure it, and in second part we'll give you the proper lab demo, like how you can, which step you need to use to create your front door service with the help of Microsoft Azure portal. So let's start. But before start the practical, if you're new on my YouTube channel, if you're watching my video first time, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel, because the Teach Me Cloud, a single YouTube channel that give you a 100% live practical without any skip, without any gap. So let's start. As we know that our agenda to understand about the Azure front door. So firstly, we just need to know about the importance of front door, or you can say that the basic of Azure front door service. So I hope you all of you know about the Azure web application services, storage services, and virtual machine services. So basically, you can say that the Azure front door is a one of important topic, one of important service of Microsoft Azure, because this particular service can help you to explore your business, explore your web servers or storage services to worldwide. Means like, as for example, you establish your web server in the location of India, but you also build some customer from outside the India, like you build your customer, you build your popularity in the location of US, Canada, or Dubai, or Australia. So as you know that you establish your server in the location of India, so it's really difficult to access your website from outside the network. It may be impact the latency, it may be the outsider customers are getting slow to access your website. So in this case, Azure front door service can help you to increase, you can say that, to increase the speed of your website. Second, it can give you the proper option to scale your service, and it also are really secure in compare of other services. So this is our agenda, but firstly we just need to know about the prerequisite, how you can establish your front door. So for example, this is your front door service, and you built your customer in different country or different locations like that. And so firstly, you just need to know about which types of source can help you to manage Azure front door. So you can use front door service with your storage services, with your web application service. You can also use your virtual machine, and other, you can also customize your source to add your Azure front door service to execute your service to worldwide. So for example, these all are the source, you can say that these all are the storage. You can make it as a front door source, you can make web application as a source, you can manage your virtual machine for the source of front door. You need to connect your source to front door like this, and front door is responsible to host your service with new domain to worldwide. It can remove, it can down the latency, it can protect your website. It is a fully scalable, you can manage each and everything that you want. So for this is our Azure front door. Okay, so what we need to do, as per the agenda, as per the diagram, I hope you are able to understand about the use of Azure front door service. Means you need to establish your web application in the location of India, and you want to access your web application to worldwide. Okay, not only with the storage, you can establish your service with the help of web application or virtual machine, or you can customize your service that you want to use to host your service to worldwide. Then you need to connect your service to Azure front door, and front door will give you a new domain, and by using the new domain, by using the Azure front door domain, you can access your service to worldwide with low latency and high performance and high speed and high protection. So this is our agenda. It means you want to access your service in the location of India, and you want to access your service in the location of US and Canada as well. So Azure front door service can help you to execute or host your service from one location to outer site as well. So let's try to understand about the step. Just try to understand about the which types of step we need to use to configure Azure front door. So what we need to do, we need to open our Azure portal. So I'm going to open our Azure portal and try to give you the proper step to configure Azure front door service. And okay, so this is my Azure portal. And now for this particular practical, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a one web application service. And by using our web application service, we will add our web application service to Azure front door and try to access from outside the network, outside the country. Okay, so as per the agenda, what we need to do, firstly, we need to create a one web application server. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a one WordPress service with the help of Microsoft Azure Marketplace. And after that, we will add our WordPress website to Azure front door. So in the very first step, you need to create a one storage account. You need to create you can create one virtual machine or any web application service from the Azure Web Services. And after that, once your service is ready to use, you can add your service to Azure front door. So here I'm going to create a one WordPress. Open your marketplace, type just WordPress, and it give you the list of multiple WordPress service providers. So I'm going to proceed with first one. Click create and need to follow the some basic step to create our WordPress server. Like I'm going to proceed with the name of testing web 1988. You should be use a unique name. This is my subscription MSDN account, and second one is related to the resource group. So as we know that Microsoft Azure need at least one resource group to proceed and create any services. This is the service plan, so I'm not going to make any changes in plan. And the service plans located in the central US. You need to configure the database service. So just click on the database. You need to provide the information of your user and password. So this is our login name, MySQL DB user, and you can proceed with any password that you want. So I'm going to use my common password. This is the pricing tier. Whenever you click on the pricing tier, it gives you the option which types of you can select, you can choose your storage capacity. So it also gives you the information, basic information, systematic pricing related to your database. So this is the simple uh, demo video. So that's why I'm going to proceed with 5 gig of space and 1 core of CPU, and I need to pay 2,799 rupees per month. Not an issue, just click OK. Again, you need to click OK. The very first step to create at least one web service. It may be a WordPress, it may be .NET or PHP website as well. So if we're talking about the procedure or pre-requirement, so we fulfill the first requirement as per the diagram, as per the theoretical part that we discussed. So now I'm going to create another page to describe you about front door activity. So in the very first step, what we need to do, we need to create a WordPress. So we successfully proceeded to create our WordPress server. Okay, once our WordPress server ready to use, we will add our WordPress to Azure front door. Okay, and front door will give you another domain. You can say that. Even you have also option to customize your domain. Fine. So we are on the page of WordPress. So firstly, we need to create and design one dummy website with the help of WP. And after that, we will move ourselves to the Azure portal again and try to create a one Azure front door service and try to connect our WordPress service to front door. Okay, fine. It's in progress. So we need to wait up to 3 to 4 minutes. And once our WordPress service is ready to use, we will create a Azure front door and attach our WordPress service. So guys, I hope you all of you understand about the agenda and the work of Azure Front Door. It's really important. If you want to present yourself as a Azure architect or Azure administrator, you should know about the use of Front Door, and you should also know about the procedure to configure Azure Front Door. So I think we need to wait up to 1 or 2 minutes more, and once our WordPress is ready to use, we will be create one dummy website, and after that we will add our Azure WordPress service to front door. Now our WordPress server is ready to use. So what we need to do, we need to create a one dummy website by using your WordPress server. So you just click on web and select web app services. In the app services, we created a one WordPress server with name of testing web 1988. You just need to open it and install a WordPress service and create a one dummy website. So to install it, just copy the URL and paste on any browser. It gives you a space to install WordPress service. Fine, select language, click continue. Again, you need to type the name of your website, any name you can use. I'm going to use with cloud, and you can use your password that you want to put, and click install WordPress. Now we successfully install our WordPress. So what you need to do, you need to open your dashboard of our WordPress where you can post your website, where you can design your website basically. So you just use your username and password that you configured while installation of sorry, our username is cloud and password that we know that. Okay, once we open our WordPress dashboard, we need to design a one dummy website. This is the dashboard of our WordPress. You just need to click post and create a one post only for the testing purpose. So I'm going to create a one post. Just click add it. Okay, it's a little bit slow. Fine, you can type anything here. Like I'm going to proceed Azure online class. Okay, and here become cloud expert. Fine. If you want to add any image here, so you just click add, go to the image panel, select upload option, and you can directly upload the image from your on premises machine. So I'm going to upload one image from our local machine. You can select any image, like I'm going to proceed with this one. Okay, and once our image successfully uploaded, you just need to make it public. Fine, you successfully design your dummy website. Everything is okay. We completed the first step, and in second step, we need to create a one Azure front door service, and after that, we will add our WordPress to front door. So now, if you go to the portal again, select your WordPress service, click, and try to open your website by using the existing URL, and you are able to see the changes that you did. So just copy the URL and paste on any browser, and you are able to see the changes that you did. So okay, yes, this is the changes that we did. Azure online class become a cloud expert, and this is the image that we uploaded. So now everything is okay. Here we want to access our website from outside the country, or from different location. So to remove the latency, to change the latency, you should use the Azure front door. Front door is also responsible to protect your website. It give you the option to scale our environment of your web services or storage services. So in second step, you need to open your channel tab. You can directly search here, or you can also search from marketplace. You need to type here Azure front door. Okay, okay, sorry, just you need to open marketplace. You can directly search from marketplace if you are unable to find from the now shortcut. So type Azure front door. Fine, it gives you the option. This is the front door, Azure front door. You just need to click here, create front door. We need to follow some basic step like basic information, configuration, tag, and review and create. So just type the resource group name. So we used a resource group power, and location will be a central US. Just click on the next. Now we need to follow three different steps. First step is related to the front end domain. Second step is related to the back end poll, and third one is related to the rules. These three steps can help you to access your WordPress server that you created. Now what we need to do, we successfully added our front end domain. So you just need to click plus if you want to add your custom domain. So you just need to click plus and type the host name. So you can choose the unique host name. Here I'm going to proceed with Azure Live Class. This is our domain name. You should be use a unique name because it is applicable for worldwide. So you must be use a unique name. No need to do anything. This is by default setting. You need to leave it as it is. Just click add. Now your domain is successfully verified. Your new domain will be Azure Live Class dot Azure azurefd.net. This is the new domain that provided by Azure Front Door Service. Second step, you need to click here. This is the backend pool. So guys, if you remember, we discussed about the backend pool in our two different practical, like as we discussed about front door backend pool in our load balancer and application gateway as well. So it can also work like same, means in this particular option you can add your WordPress server. So here I'm going to proceed with name of Azure class 1988. You should be use a unique name. This is the backend, and you need to click here to add your backend pool. Select your resources. So we created our WordPress by using the Azure application service. So you need to proceed with app service. If you create your virtual machine, you can proceed with the cloud services. You can proceed with public IP address, application gateway, storage account, or storage account classic as well. So as per your activity that you did, you can select here. So now I'm going to proceed with this one application. It automatically picked up from your WordPress. No need to do anything here. Just click add. Fine. Everything is okay. Now two step we completed successfully. Now in third step you need to create a role. So basically role is related to you can say that it's just a name. You need to some information to allow your traffic. So I'm going to proceed with name of allow rule. No need to do anything here. Just click add. Cool. Everything is okay. Front door. This is the front end domain, backend poll, and routing role. Now you need to click tag. If you want to choose any tag name, then okay. Otherwise, you can proceed with next review and create. It will be take up to maybe more than 5 minutes. Once our front door created successfully, we will be access our website. We will access our WordPress website with the help of our Azure front door domain name. So now it's in progress. So we need to wait up to 3 to 5 minutes just. Okay. So once our WordPress service is ready to use, we will be access our WordPress with the help of front door. So I think we need to wait up to 3 to 4 minutes, and after that we will access it. Fine, we successfully created our front door. So you just need to open it and try to access your website with the help of new domain that provided by Azure front door service. So now we are able to see this is our domain that we used while creating the front door. So you just need to copy it and paste on any browser, and you will be see your website that you created with the help of Azure WordPress. So guys, this is the proper agenda. This is the proper step of Azure front door. I hope you all of you understand about the step and procedure and concept of front door service. So please let me know if you have any doubt or suggestion or question. Please drop a comment. Definitely will reach your comment and try to give you a unique answer related to your question. So this is our video. Thank you so much for watching. Please wait for next video. We'll definitely upload another video related to Microsoft Azure. Take care guys, and bye bye.